Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Now let's scroll to the password and biometrics, and as you can see right here we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, our device will ask us to actually set the screen lock before the scanning. So this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have the screen lock currently set. It is crucial because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock, and you will not have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So let's first of all tap on the screen lock. I will pick the pattern. You can set also the PIN or password. Tap on next. Let's draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And as you can see right here, you can decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just make sure that the option you want to is marked and tap on done. Now we can tap on add fingerprint, and as you can see here we've got the instructions. Basically all we have to know is that the fingerprint scanner is located on the power button on the side of your device. So let me put my finger on it and first of all tap on next. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. As you can see, we have to move our finger. Our device will let us know if we will duplicate the area. It can take some time, as you can see. Alright, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's tap on finish. And here we've got the fingerprint management, so we've got all of the options which are connected to the fingerprint. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, we can rename it if you want to, or remove it. So let me rename it, because why not? Index. Alright, let's rename. As you can see, it will be renamed right after confirming. Here you can add the fingerprint, so I believe you can add up to 5 fingerprints, and you can view enrolled fingerprints, which simply means that your device will show you the list of other fingerprints, and by putting particular fingers on the sensor, your device will show you which fingerprint it is, which is kind of cool. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so you can use it for unlocking the screen, access uplock, or access X hide. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just tap on those switchers. Here we've got more settings, so you've got the scenes application or unlock with screen off. So here you can decide if you want to only touch the fingerprint sensor or touch it and press it. And I highly recommend to keep this option, the first option, so touch side fingerprint sensor, set, because it is much easier to use it. So alright, let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.